thinking about a career that's hands-on, science-based, and helps people feel confident. Dentistry is all about keeping people smiling, literally. If you like working with people, dental hygiene offers a great mix of practical skills and patient care. Plus, you'll be making a real difference every day. What does a dental hygienist do? You'll work with children, adults, nervous patients. No 2 days are the same. Settings include high street dental practices, hospitals, and community clinics. You will clean and polish teeth, apply treatments like fluoride and sealants, check gum health and spot signs of decay, keep patient records up to date, teach people how to care for their teeth. You can find out more about the role of dental hygienist on What Uni. What skills will you need? Success as a dental hygienist isn't just about technical knowledge, it's also about how you relate to patients. You'll need strong communication, empathy, attention to detail, manual dexterity, stamina, team spirit. What qualifications do you need before uni? GCSEs? You'll usually need at least 5 GCSEs at grades 4 or above, including English, Maths and Science. A-levels, or equivalent. Unis typically ask for 2 or 3 A-levels, including biology or another science. BTECs and T-levels in healthcare science or science may also be considered. Work experience isn't essential, but it can boost your application. Shadowing a dental nurse or hygienist shows real interest, and volunteering in care homes or as a first aid helper also helps. For dental courses, you usually need to apply by an October deadline. Which degree should you study? You'll need to study a course that's approved by the General Dental Council (GDC). Look for BSc Dental Hygiene, BSc Dental Hygiene and Therapy, BSc Clinical or Oral Dental Sciences. These are usually 3-year full-time degrees, combining academic study with practical clinical work. Entry requirements usually range from A-levels, AAB to BBC, BTECs, DDM to MMM. UCAS points 112 to 136. Scottish Highers, AABB to ABBB. International Baccalaureate 29 to 34 points. Most universities include an interview. You can compare degree options on What Uni. What happens after graduation? Once you graduate, you'll register with the General Dental Council (GDC). This is a legal requirement to practice. Your first job might be in NHS dental clinics, private practices, hospitals or community health settings. Career development options include specialising in gum care or children's dentistry, becoming a clinical tutor or oral health educator, moving into practice management. Starting salaries are around £30,000, rising to £50,000 plus with experience, especially in private or specialist roles. To stay registered, you'll need to complete CPD, Continuing Professional Development, each year. If you're passionate about health, enjoy working with people, and want a hands-on career that makes a real difference every day, this role could be for you. Explore dental hygiene degrees on What Uni and take your first step today.